Welcome back to another episode on North Creek Fishing. Today we're gonna fish this creek, Stony Creek, before this thunderstorm rolls in. Let's see what we can catch before this storm rolls in. All right, we had to take a little detour. It's a little too high down there. So we're just coming to this little stream right down there. See, there's Stony Creek right there. Just come down to this little trail, just getting a little shortcut in. And we arrived at the creek. Let's get the cast in. Big cast up here. Ain't nothing. Oh, we gotta follow. That was a little smallmouth. We want the jumbos. Just a little size 0 Meps spinner. I was catching trout on the ensemble with this. I was trying to. All right, we're coming up to our first decently nice pocket. Hopefully there's some fish holding up. Just up here. Should be. Let's go catch some smallmouth. Nothing? This is like a prime spot. Come on. Oh, I got bit. Ah! Creek chubs. Creek chubs suck. Welcome to the... All right, we're coming up to our second log jam. If this don't have nothing in it, I'm gonna be very pissed. Oh, did you guys just hear that? That was a turkey. Go, 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 go. Did you guys hear that? Turkey's gobbling. Oh, there's turkeys right up there. Oh yeah, it's a prime spot. Let's try. See if anything's up in here. Oh no, something wanted it. Probably spooked now. Ah, got weeds. Fuck you, weeds. Oh, oh, oh! Guys, I missed my lure. And weeds did. There's a lot of weeds up there. Oh yeah, that's a prime spot. No, I missed it. How are they missing this? Generally, he's such a short shot. First cast with the mini glide bait. Cast up in. Frick! Okay, got it out. He's in the tree. And now my pole's tangled up. Okay. Okay, round 2. We'll get one here. Positive, maybe. Oh. I might have went for that. I think something did. My line just got really tight and I felt something. I don't know if that... Just can't seem to find these fish. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! That was easy. Guess I can find the fish. Not a bad smallmouth. Hooked him around the gill. Well, that's... Oh, he's down a shot. Oh, he's down a shot. Alright. We made it to this second dam thing. I don't know what to call it, like a jam or something. I don't know. Guys, are you kidding me? I'm hooked up without recording. Are we serious? And it's a dink. Guys, we are waist deep. Literally waist deep. Trying to catch these smallmouth. And the only action I have, some dead fish. See if we'll make that. Come on. I just went through some like sewer water for this. Come on. Give me a bite. No. Oh, second one of the day. Or second nice one of the day. Dang it, I can't get them up. Not a bad one. It's not. Oh, guys, we got a bite. We weren't even recording. What the hell? Oh, this one felt big because he went in the weeds. It's actually not a bad smallmouth for a low creek like this. Oh my God. What are these things? Big lead. Maybe this spot's not a good spot. I don't know. Every time. Stick okay. Stick back out of this. We got some good fishing up here, I think. I think this is a pretty good shot up here. I mean, I've been getting continuous bites. Something just hit it. Something. Oh my God. He thumped it. Finally. Going on camera for you guys. What is this? Rock bass? Jeez. What is going on with him? Like rotten. What the heck? See, I don't know what was wrong with that fish, but hopefully it's not any disease or something. I really don't want one, but let's keep casting, I guess. Maybe not. Maybe nothing's biting now. Okay. Come on. Oh! Feels like a better one. Ooh, jumped, guys. Feels like a better one. But it's not. It's not. Smallies are, I think, pound for pound the best fighting fish. Just can't keep these fish off my lures. Like again? Jeez. He came off. Dang, that was a nice fish. Tangled me all up. Frick. That was a little bass probably. This is a nice honey hole. Never really noticed this up here. Just slowly chopping, working this glide bait. Till these hungry motherfuckers come out. Then it's game on. Oh, I missed him. Darn it. Oh, there he is. Yep. Okay, are we serious? Are we serious right now? Alright, I know we're catching fish, but I might just miss spots because I gotta get home. There's a thunderstorm coming, and if we stay for this thunderstorm, we're cooked. So we better catch them quick. It's starting to get cloudy out.
Thanks for watching. We found a dead walleye in the creek.